Signs somebody has done magic on you to try and break up your marriage and ruin your marriage. So now it's not necessarily going to affect your work life. It may not affect your health. However, it will affect your marriage. Or somebody, he wants you to lose your job or to lose your health. Maybe your health will start to deteriorate, but your marriage will be okay. So with magic, it depends on the aims and the objectives of the individual who got the magic done. So if he gets magic done to affect your marriage, then this was what will be affected. Sometimes, however, a person will just say, I don't ever want to see person X, I don't ever want to see him happy. I want to see his life ruined. In that situation, then you may be suffering from one or more different things. Maybe bad health and a bad marriage. Maybe you have a good marriage, but you have problems with your health, problems with your work. Likewise with dreams. So if you're constantly dreaming of dogs, if you're constantly dreaming of snakes, if you're constantly dreaming of spiders, if you're constantly dreaming about blood, if you're constantly seeing yourself in a grave or around blood, and you're seeing these types of things in your dreams, then it may be that you have serious issues with regards to magic, with regards to jinn possession. Likewise, as we've mentioned previously, a dislike of Islam, a dislike of the Quran. Why? Because the jinn is there. Remember that magic, almost always in the vast majority of cases, 99.9%, it comes with jinn. You're going to find these type of blocks, okay? So somebody has done magic on me to prevent me from getting married. I'm going to find like a block on marriage. Whenever I consider somebody for marriage, everything is going fine, then suddenly out of the blue I have a change of heart, and now when I think about getting married, I feel sick and I feel anxious, and maybe I begin to vomit, etc. This is more than likely somebody doesn't want you to get married. Somebody's put a block on you getting married, or a block on your mind, or a block on your health, or a block on your wealth. All of these different things, there may be signs and symptoms of jinn possession. Likewise, suffering from illnesses that doctors simply cannot explain, or suffering with illness after illness after illness. This may be a sign of magic. You may find mood swings, so that the individual, they may have extreme mood swings, go from being extremely happy to being extremely sad in an instant. The blinking of an eye, they go from laughing to crying in an instant. Or you may find, and this is very, very important, you may find ta'weez. So you may find ta'weez in your house, something that you didn't put there. You may find blood on your doorstep, or you may find blood in your home. You may find animal eggs, so chicken's eggs which have been smashed on your doorstep. You may find salt on your doorstep. You may find a dead bird in your garden, or you may find a dead chicken which has no head, which has been beheaded. You may find all of these different things. Likewise, with regards to, specifically with regards to marriage. Okay, so there might be a sudden dislike of the spouse, a physical hatred towards them. You know, I've had lots of people, they say, when I see my wife, I physically want to kill her. When I see my husband, I physically want to kill him. I had one situation where a brother came and he said, when I look at my wife, I see an animal's head on my wife's shoulders. Likewise, you have the situation of not being able to get married. This is very, very common. People do magic on others so that they have a block on their marriage. Because you were set up to marry your uncle's son or your uncle's daughter or somebody else's son or somebody else's daughter. In the end, you didn't get married to them, you got married to somebody else, and what happened? They put magic on you, or you were due to get married to somebody else, so they put magic on you when you refused, and now they've put magic on you and you can't get married. And all of this is from magic.